We were been living in Chennai for past almost 18 to 20 years. We were looking out for a house nearby into this area. So that's where I think my wife shortlisted this one. We have not done any new house like interior part, everything. So my wife had a lot of ideas, lot of thoughts. Initially started with one of friend circle as architect who started helping us in the designing of the house, these interiors. Then she introduced us to Prakash. Prakash, who is the owner of Bizzoppo, where we started interacting with her. One fine day we met Prakash, Malati in the same house. We were discussing on that. Both of us decided, okay, we'll go, because the way we interacted with Prakash, with Malati, we felt that the good people. This is a crockery unit which was designed. The idea was to have a wash basin inbuilt within the Korean top. This one as well on the ceiling, right? We had some rafters over here, if you can see. This kitchen, we want some contemporary design. And this is a nano white top. Basically my wife wants a white color and a contrast black on the black slash which is there. And all this kitchen, everything, I think my wife and Malati sat together along with Priya and designed how the design should look. This is a Pooja. This basically the fall ceiling, this was my wife's choice, where she wants to put lotus kind of fall ceiling on the top. This is the fourth bedroom which was there, which we turned up into a theatre room, and it's a home theatre which is there. This one, we had a bathroom here, which is there. We thought, okay, we'll get rid of on that part. Much more space. So if you see, generally in the bathrooms, right, you have that duct, right? So this was a duct. If I open, there will be a duct here, which we covered with the painting. Our master bedroom, if you can see. And if you see this cot which you are seeing here, this also has been customized and made. And this is the bar unit which was planned. This basically door will go inside. The way you can see our whole thoughts and suggestions, everything turned up in reality and turned up in the beautiful house.